Hi boys and girls, today we're going to write some sentences using words with our S blend. So first we're going to write the word and then we'll practice writing sentences so we can get better at writing them. So the first one is swim. S-w-i-m. And we can write the sentence, we like to swim. We like to swim. I'm going to make this bigger so it's a bit easier for you to see. Okay, next one, snap. Snap. Let's write the sentence, he can snap. He, capital H, E, he, space, can snap. Snap. Good. Next word. Let's do risk. Risk. There's a game called Risk, so we're going to say, I play Risk. Period. Okay, I'm going to scoot this up a little bit and we'll go to number 4. Number 4, mask. Mask. He has a mask. He, capital H-E, has, another power word, a mask. He has a mask. Let's do the number 5, spin. Spin. We like to spin. We like to spin. We like to spin. Good, now we have 3 more. Last. Last. So we might say, like if someone is in line, we'd say she is last. She, capital S-H-E, she is last. Last. And then number 7, let's do best. Best. And this is what your teacher will always say. Do your best. Capital D-O. Do your best. Best. And our last word is rest. Rest. I like to rest. I like to rest. Period. Awesome. All right, boys and girls, good job on your work today. Please make sure your name is at the top and then turn it into your basket and start working on Lexia.